Now for the men, I noticed on my table in the house that when I tried to do the back and forth between the 5 men, it just didn't work very well. And I know I need to practice more and everything else, but I was looking at the sides of the men, and I don't know if you can see that. Yeah, right there. You see that dimple? And some of mine in the house are offset where there's a crease here, and when you run your finger across, it's clear that it's not even. So I was wondering what to do about that. So I took it across this over here, and with my hand, keep it really flat and just go back and forth. Not hard, doesn't take much, and get that leveled off. I don't know if I can do it. I don't really want to do it one-handed. I think you're getting the point. And then once I get that even, actually that's not too bad, then I steel wool it. Steel wool that little edge there. And this is the result. So even if they look like there might be something there, when you run your fingernail across it, they're nice and smooth. So I'm doing that on both sides. And I have quite a few more men to go before that's done. So that's another little step we're doing to refine the table. These are the robotic men looking in. I did notice they have a little lip here too. It's kind of interesting on the back side. I guess that's for passing to stop it better. So that's cool. So the men will all be in good shape after I finish off the edges. And then we're going to start on the top. I don't know, we have more to do on the legs too. We'll get at that soon.